Ash is top right.
Yep, I see her.
They're walled off. Get this brigade.
Get this brigade. Go. Can we get that Ryan?
We got a Genji on us, dude.
Big.
Push this.
Trying to get the McCree. Hog.
Hog.
The bog.
I'm gonna try and.
That was bad.
We'll push up Ryan a little bit.
Push up, guys. Somebody stay on. I'll push up with him.
Let's go to this corner at least.
Shit. Oh, nope. She wasted shield bash.
Okay.
Right,
Break your
shield's
shield,
almost
work
down.
on the shield, just-
It's down. It's almost down.
Bridget. Ooh, nice.
I'm your only heal right now. I'm on his pushing cart.
Yeah, you probably pushed it.
Rick's back alive. Nice. Yep, sorry.
We got a Mercy
We're
by
going.
herself.
She's walled off. She knows what she's getting.
Yo, push to the corner.
I'm pushing
I
her.
got you.
I think they're not
There's
trying
Zarya free.
I think they might have given up.
I think so too.
Baby.
Zarya's pissed off.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, thank you.
Nice wall. Can we get the Reaper on cart? I'm with you, Ren, but you might out heal it.
I've grabbed her. I might just grab the.
Yeah, go ahead, guys.
Actually, the
Just
Mercy
grab
did.
them.
Get ready to charge.
Fire at will.
You guys are without heal, so be careful.
Zarya one.
Pynx. Yeah.
Alright, one.
I got Zarya over here behind me, guys.
Alright, Ryan is one.
Zarya's
Damn
one.
it. Zarya's one. Zarya's one. Zarya's one.
I've grabbed her.
If you can push me up, I can move them off.
Yeah, Bridget.
Get the brigade. Get the brigade. Look at the brigade.
Oh shit. Bad bullets!
It's back out before we regroup.
They wasted a lot there though.
Wait. Yeah, freeze.
Yep. I have freeze again.
Barrier 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna
have,
grab them or try to get a punch. You throw your freeze in.
Okay.
Just those two ults.
Okay.
They're on fire.
Just tell me whenever you're ready, dude.
Fire at will.
Throw freeze. That's all we need.
Right one. Both their supports are getting away, but got payload. And if you want to push ahead, I'll. Or
I'll back it up.
no hook on Hog. Oh shit! I woke him up. Reaper's left side. Moore's on cart. Moore's one. Oh, beautiful. That was an awesome hammer. More one. Reaper's right side of cart. He's behind. He's probably gonna ult. But he can't.
I
Good
won't let
push.
him
No,
get
he
a
just-
chance.
He just wanted to kill me.
Oh my god, man.
That's all I wanted to do.
Good
He
round,
just wanted
guys.
to fuck me up. Nice shot, guys. Who has gold elims?
I do.
With what?
I'll tell you in a second.
Because I think I'm at 20 right now. I think I have silver. Which isn't good. It's not my best day. It's still 3 in the morning, but...
Yeah, it's 4 in the morning for me. I just realized.
Bro, that... Yeah, the time change got me disoriented.
Yeah.
Like, damn, time really went by fast.
It's 24.
Bet.
Oh, I only died once there. I didn't even realize that.
I died twice. I got fucked over by that Reaper at the very end and I was pissed.
That sucked.
They might try to run a fire right here.
If they do, I'll take care of it. My cat says hello.
What's your cat's name?
Snickers.
Speeding you out, Anna.
Oh, they're running Widow.
Just keep your shit up, Johnny. Break Ryan's shield. Break their shield. Oh, I got a headshot on somebody already.
Shut the bubble.
Oh, I need help.
Gonna-
Need help. Thank you.
I can tell you when to start swinging, if you want to start soon. Alright, you can swing now, swing now.
Mine's half purple. There's one.
Push from here.
I'm with you guys. Push up.
I'm fully charged, let's go.
Running double sniper. The Widow's very low. Nice job. I don't know how far you want to push up. I'm with you. When you want to speed out.
Just stay right here.
grab.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Run's coming in. Run's in.
It's TNT behind. Mercy 1.
Oh, here's one.
Must have ult.
She crouched. This is Rainbow Six Siege. Crouch spam is real.
Ready for this? Try to the sneaky grab.
Sure.
I feel like I can land it.
Coming in now.
Oh, they know.
Reaper's one on the right side with the Mega. It's purple. Reaper's gonna come behind us.
Let's go chase him, chase him.
I'm with
I
Mega.
see him right here.
She has grab probably.
She's one. Oh, she uses it. Reaper one. Hello, you are
Or
brutal.
fire. Mellow, come on, man. I want them gold medals.
I know. Fuck.
I mean, you can have him back if you want.
I don't
Just-
care.
Go sit on point.
I'm just giving you a
do
hard
nothing.
time. Trying to pers-
I've grabbed you. We have balls.
Yeah, I have beat, so.
Hey, Bob.
Ryan.
Ours half.
Damn, dude.
Mercy one,
I say
Mercy
go
one.
back to
Help me,
point,
help me,
dude.
help me.
I say go back to point. Go back
Mercy
to
one.
point, guys. Go back to point.
Grab me, wait for me. If you can.
Okay, I will. I died too, so man, you died, dude.
We don't even need it.
Careful with it. They're gonna take it.
You can
Bob's on
grab
point.
me.
Yeah, go.
Grab
I'm,
me.
I'm ready, dude.
Damn. Damn. They're running triple DPS.
Keep going. We're almost there. Oh shit.
We're gonna try to contest? I wouldn't.
No,
I wouldn't.
no.
I wouldn't.
No,
Back
no.
up. Yeah, speed us out.
can get my grab soon.
I'll get mine
We,
too.
we
More top
definitely
right.
have this game, so don't get too discouraged.
Oh, hold this corner.
Play
Hold the
smart.
corner. Hold the
That's all I
corner.
gotta do. Play smart.
Keep your shit up. Shield up.
There's Reaper going right. Reaper going. No, what the hell?
Trying to speed you out.
Oh no, dude. They're too quick.
Get us out of here. Get us out of here.
I'm already dead.
My bad. We could.
I hope nobody saw that.
I was 2 seconds away for bubble. I think Zarya has grab, maybe. Yeah,
Should I
she
make it up to
definitely
you,
does.
Ash?
I think Zarya has grab. We definitely have to go on soon.
Nice. Can we get their mercy?
Mercury, Mercury.
Ryan one, more one.
I have ult. I have ult.
We don't need it. Oh, okay, we could use it.
Oh shit.
It's okay. Whatever stops them. Mercy's here. Picker in the sky.
Sorry, you used bomb. I had to. I had to right there.
Up the tempo.
Shit. I'll get mine again, dude.
Reaper's on point. Or Reaper was on point. He's coming for you guys.
He's going back right side. He's still right here.
Don't
Be
C9.
careful on him.
Don't C9. Don't C9. Don't C9.
Both heals are down.
Oh, true. That was good.
Two
Better
behind.
push. Point. I'm graph, but I'm like.
Fire at will.
Both heals are right side.
I need heals.
Mercy's one.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
Ah,
Alrighty, alrighty.
he's gonna die.
Dude, my lag is
We
bad,
already
so
beat him on
bad.
time. So
Yeah, I don't think they're pushing all the way through. Reaper just used ult.
Final lag.
I think Mercy.
Kree used ult, Shatter. Did they use grab?
Yeah. No. I don't
No.
I don't think they
still have
grabbed.
graph.
I think they did use the
still have
Mercy ult
graph.
too.
Dude, do we have beat for it?
No,
Gotta
I'm
farm
at,
beat
I'm at
fast.
70. Should have it soon.
Yo, we
Reaper's behind us to the left. Good pick.
I'll help.
Coming to you, Ryan.
Push back, push back.
Zarya's walled off.
Reaper one. Got him. I have beat.
Oh,
Bring up McCree.
Kree one,
McCree's
Kree
in it. Someone's to the right. Morris to the right.
Okay. We have 3 ults, so we're good. Push up, push up, push up, push up.
And we got ults too. I think they're trying to push right.
Yeah, I can hear them walking back there. Reaper's definitely behind us.
No,
Yeah, no,
they're
left,
over here.
left still. Left still.
Reaper's behind you, Ash. He's gonna ult.
Okay, she's gonna grab. He's waiting for it. Yeah.
Reaper's behind. We can push out. Just gotta group with us.
Push out for now. But we can still contest.
We're going left side.
Hold on, Frost, come back, Frost, come back. I need you alive.
Push out.
Hanzo's one.
Damn. Thank you.
Hanzo's still on. Fuck.
I got him.
Zarya's low. Zarya's like 1/4. Try and get their mercy for a res. Alright, you guys got it. Good game, guys. Great.
I want to play up, try to grab them off the point. Oh, right, they lost. You won.
Good game, guys. Pleasure playing with y'all.
Yep.
GG.
Play